How to create distributions list in Outlook. So I will show in this video. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's open the Outlook first. Okay, so here is the two way you can create the quick distribution list or create the group of distribution. So I will show you first. If you go in the home tab, here you can see the quick step. Here you can create the new rules. Just click on it, and here you can give the name of this quick step. So I just new distributions list, ignore the spelling mistake. Okay, so now click on this arrow and come to the new message, and here you can add the peoples. Just double click on your emails id. This is my contact list. Okay, so you can add manually also. Yeah, okay, so you have to go in context and add the peoples, and from here now come back, and here you can add the people like this, or you can add like enter the email id and just double comma, and you can just click on ok now. So the all this will be add. If you have fixed subject line, you can add it. You can flag as a flag message or importance normal, whatever. So do the text. If you have normal or fixed text message, so you can write here, and for 1 minute delay. Okay, so now you can click on finish. Then one quick action will be created here. So whenever you want to send the mail, just double click on it. So new message will be open, window open. Now you can message the people of groups of this. Okay, so this is another way. Go to the new items and go to the more item, and here you can create the contact group or groups distribution list. And now you can add members. Go to the Outlook contacts and just add email id by double click on any email id, so it will be added here. So you can add manually like this. Okay, and click on ok. So this group will be created. Now you have to give the name of group, distribution list. Now save and close. So now when you go in new email, and if you want to add this group, type the initial of this group, it will be come here, or you can go into, or you can just select the group and double click on it, it will be add here. Okay, I go show you again. Just double click on it, it will be add here. So if you want to don't show your recipient all emails, so if you want to separate, if you want to send emails separately to the emails group of Outlook, so you can insert this group in BCC. So in BCC there is no chance to see every others email id, so just insert it in BCC. Okay, just remove it, go to the BCC and just insert to BBC and just click ok. So not so this list will be not seen by others, so it will be the email will be sent separately to everyone. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.